My name is Erica Plemmons, and I'm a senior economist with Bright MLS. List price tends to ease in the fall, and this year has been defying the norm. The median list price across the Mid-Atlantic is just shy of $400,000 for the week ending October 1st, and that's because of our low supply situation. Looking ahead, Bright will publish 2 research briefs on Thursday. Bright partnered with George Mason University to analyze 2 topics. First, how the government's response to COVID will have a long-term impact on the housing market, and 2, how the housing market will be shaped from the work-from-home trend. Of course, you may expect that's going to vary by region, so you'll want to check out those new reports on Thursday.